Hey there, it's Lee Martinuzzi here from Martinuzzi Property Group, MPG, here on the Sunshine Coast, operating in real estate. And this video has been created for you, my fellow real estate agent here, working and residing on the Sunshine Coast. At the moment, MPG, we are looking to expand our team. We're looking for a high level of quality agents. And not just any agent, we want agents that are passionate, not only about property, but are passionate about people, that want to give our clients the best experience and the highest level of customer service possible in the industry. That's our goal, that's our mission, and that's the kind of fit we're looking for. Not only that, we're looking for those agents that are driven to succeed. Now, you might be quite new to the industry, you might have been well established. Whatever the case is, you are driven and you want to step up, level up your career and have a high level of success in real estate. If that sounds like you, then please reach out. Click the link below. Let's have a conversation. At MPG, we offer a well-established training program for all our agents, and we're also connected as a part of a network of 90,000 agents across the globe. So you actually get to connect and integrate with that as well, which is absolutely phenomenal. And no other company on the coast can offer you that level of training and resources available to help you in your career. On top of that, we offer fantastic commission splits of 75% upwards or more, depending on your current level of performance. So again, if that sounds like you, give us a call. My name's Lee. I would love to have a chat with you. We can meet up for a coffee. We're on the Sunshine Coast, and we certainly are driven to expand. So reach out if you're curious, if you want to have a chat and want to catch up for a coffee. I'm Lee, and I hope to talk soon.